A reader lives 1,000 lives before he dies. A man who never reads lives only one. George R.R. Martin. Hello everyone, it's Shruti here from the Old Book Barn. Here we are all about the books. We unbox them, read them, review them and give recommendations just for you. So join us as we start a new journey into the world of books. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 2 book boxes from India. And for those of you who don't know what book boxes are nothing but subscription services for mystery boxes with books and some goodies. So today we'll be checking out 2 book boxes, one from the Caffeinated Conversations and the other from the Reader Store. Caffeinated Conversations offer theme-based as well as surprise book boxes, and the Reader Store offers book boxes with pre-owned as well as new books. And I ordered a surprise book box from the Caffeinated Conversations book box, and I paid around rupees 899 for the same, and I ordered the box blind date with 3 pre-owned books from the Reader Store, for which I paid around rupees 875. So let's go and unbox them.
So these are the packages that I have received. Both were neatly packed, but Caffeinated Conversations box was torn at one of the edges. It could have happened on transit also, so I don't mind that. So let's see what's inside the boxes. Let's get started with the book box from Caffeinated Conversations. These are the contents of the box. First, I've received a personalized letter from Kavita. It looks very nice and it's handwritten. Impressive. Next, we have a bar. It's a handmade soap by Soap Petite. Looks really pretty. And here we have a paper pen on which it's written Caffeinated Conversations. I'll give it to someone else because I don't use and throw pens. We have a small packet here. Oh, it's a luggage tag. It's got space to write the details. Nothing fancy, but definitely useful. Then here we have a couple of bookmarks. There are 2 small ones which are from the publishers, I guess. And there are 2 big ones also. One has a quote from How to Read a Book by Mortimer J. Adler. The other has a review by the Times of the book 3 Women by Lisa Todio. So that's all about the goodies. We'll now check out the books in the box. The first one is The Story of a Long Distance Marriage by Siddesh Inamdar, published by HarperCollins. It has a really pretty cover with 2 ropes at a distance, which goes very well with the title. The next one is Love Unexpected by Ritu Kakkar, published by Srishti Publishers. Looks like it's also about love and relationships. And the last book is Advantage Love by Madhuri Banerjee. It is published by Rupa. This one also seems to be dealing with love and career in a woman's life. So that's about KK book box. Now we'll quickly open the Reader Store package. Oh, they've packed the books separately to make it a blind date indeed. So nice. So these are the contents of the Reader Store book box. We'll start with the cutest item that they have sent. It's a magnetic bookmark with a very cute panda face on it, and it's written "This is my happy place," which is very cute. And here we have one more magnetic bookmark with a picture of a book, and it is written, "A book is a dream that you hold in your hand," which is true. This one is also really cute and useful. Inside it, it's written The Reader Store. Then we have a small soap from Khadi. It's a turmeric and sandalwood handmade soap. You can put it in your travel toiletries kit, I guess. And here we have 2 green tea bags. I love drinking green tea, so I'll use it. And some more bookmarks, small ones. On one it is written, "This is where you fell asleep." Oh, that's cute. The next one has, "Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud," written on it. And the third one is also really cute. So that's about the goodies. Now we'll see the heroes of the box, the books. All the 3 of them are pre-owned. The first one is Happy Birthday Turk by Jacob Arjuni. It's written 18 on the cover. This belongs to the list of selected 18 titles as part of the 18th anniversary of No Exit Press in crime and noir fiction publishing. This is a murder mystery book. Now the second book is Cold Earth by Anne Cleeves, published by Pan Macmillan. I've heard about this one. This one is also a murder mystery book. It belongs to the Shetland Island mystery series. Next up, we have Private LA by James Patterson and Mark Sullivan, published by Arrow Books. I've heard about this one also. This one belongs to the Private series, a murder mystery again. So all the 3 books have a good font and spacing, which is one thing that hooks me onto a book, apart from a lot of other things. Anyways, I'll read and review them soon.
So I've got 3 books each from both the boxes, and from the Caffeinated Conversations book box I've got 3 books from Indian authors, and I've paid rupees 899 for these books, but these books are of roughly around rupees 600. However, they have sent me a personalized note, which is very nice of them. And from the Reader Store I have received 3 books by foreign authors, and at the first glance these look more interesting to me. I've spent rupees 875 on the box and have received 3 pre-owned books worth more than rupees 2000, and that too in excellent condition. And as far as the goodies are concerned, I don't think they have much collectible value, but they are pretty useful to me. So overall, I love both the boxes, though I think the Reader Store has given me more value for money. So that's all from today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and share the video. and hit the subscribe button for more such updates. Also make sure you visit our website theoldbookbarn.com for detailed reviews and recommendations. The link is right there below in the description box. So see you next time. Bye.